Welcome back, curious kids. I'm Dr. Wonder, your guide on this exciting journey of exploration and discovery. As the seasons change, new adventures await us. This season, we'll dive deep into the wonders of our world, unlocking the mysteries of science, nature, and imagination. Have you ever wondered how rainbows are formed, or what makes volcanoes erupt? Every episode will spotlight a new question, and together we'll seek the answers. Get ready to meet fascinating creatures, conduct fun science experiments, and reveal the secrets of the universe. So buckle up. We're about to embark on an exhilarating quest for curiosity. Put on your thinking caps, gather your friends, and prepare for adventures filled with laughter and learning. Join me, Dr. Wonder, as we launch into this thrilling new season, right here where curiosity knows no bounds.